learn jQuery step by step. jQuery is fast, small and have rich JavaScript library included in a single JS file. For same functionality, JavaScript will take a long time, but in jQuery we can do it in short time period. And hence it increases the development productivity. This video will help you to learn jQuery starting from the basic to advanced level. These tutorials are broken down into number of videos that are packed with easy to understand explanation, real world example, tips and notes. To learn jQuery, you need basic knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, CSS and web application. jQuery makes web developers' life easy. It provides many built-in functions which we use to create various tasks easily and quickly with less code. The goal is we want to learn jQuery completely and we should apply it in our projects. In our course, we are going to see step by step. We will be starting with DOM selection. In jQuery, we use selectors to retrieve DOM elements based on different criteria like tag name, ID, CSS class name, attribute name, value, likewise. So we have several DOM elements, and then we will be moving on to DOM manipulation. So we can manipulate using various built-in jQuery functions. We can add or remove elements. We can add content, we can add CSS dynamically. So all these things will be covered under DOM manipulation. And we can give special effects. So it is given under special effect using jQuery. We can use special effects such as show or hide of elements, fade in, fade out, sliding effects and animation effects, etc. We can see all these things in upcoming videos. That's why I am telling as a introduction. So then we will be moving on to events. We have events such as click, double click, mouse enter, mouse leave, blur, key up, key down, etc. Then we will be moving on to Ajax. jQuery have easy to use Ajax function to load data from servers without reloading our whole page. So let me start. As like other language, jQuery development requires editor to write jQuery code. We can use editors like Notepad++, Visual Studio, Eclipse and so on. We using Visual Studio Code Editor here. If you are new to this editor, you can see about the usage of this editor in my one of the video. I have given the link in the description box. So let me start how to download our jQuery library. Go to jQuery.com. So I have opened it. Click on download. You can see here the current version of jQuery. So you just click on it. You can download compressed or uncompressed version. Compressed version will comes with minimized code by eliminating extra space, line feeds and shortening the variables and functions. Here I am downloading compressed. Yes, see, this is compressed version and uncompressed. So this is uncompressed version. So this was the difference. Just I am saving this file here. Now we have our jQuery min.js 3.5.1 version. Let me start doing some examples so that you can know more about what is jQuery. First of all, we just link out jQuery. I am going to link this JS file by giving script. Okay, the source is in JS slash. You can also link jQuery library from public CDN. You can find it here. So Google CDN name, Microsoft CDN JS deliver. So if you click on Google, it will be redirected to developers Google. So there you can find the snippet like this. You can just copy it and you can place here. So we can refer like this. Sometimes the CDN goes down for some reason. So we need to have fallback mechanism when it goes down. So currently I have JS in offline, so I am going to use it. If you are writing any jQuery functionality, you just write between script tag. So here jQuery is a function. So jQuery is a function. We can use it as window.jQuery or simply jQuery, or we can use dollar symbol. Dollar symbol is dollar symbol. So dollar symbol is short form of jQuery. Instead of using jQuery, we can use dollar symbol. Okay, we can use like this, or we can use like window.jQuery, or you can use like window.dollar. All these are same. Then if you write jQuery in head section, jQuery may not find particular element because browser loads jQuery first, so jQuery cannot get elements. So I request you to use in end of the web page. So I am just using at the end of the website. So let me see one example. So let me write script. We can write like this, dollar, in bracket we want to write document, one dot, ready. So this is mandatory. We should give like this. Whenever you used to write jQuery, you should start with document.ready. This is the first thing you need to write before writing jQuery code. Always check whether your document is ready or not. Okay, here we can write one callback function. So here ready function takes a callback function. So this is the way to start jQuery. So here I am just putting one alert. Welcome. Let me see the result. Before that I have given one button here. Let me see another one example. Yeah, we got welcome. So we got welcome alert. Okay, let me see some more example using this image and button. So my result should be, so when I click on this button, this image should hide and show. So this means toggle. So I'm going to do that. So you just give dollar. So we have used class button1. So inside this dollar we want to give this class name and dot. So click. When that particular button is clicked, this function will fire. Inside that I am just giving simply image tag, that is img. If you are using any class, you can give that class name here. Here in our case I am having only one image, so I am just giving image directly dot toggle. So that's all. Just save it, run. When you click on this button, the visible image will become invisible. Again, when you click on the same button, the same image will be visible again. So this is toggle. By clicking, I am just getting this image suddenly. So let me give some timing for this. So for that I can give timing here 1000 as milliseconds. See now the difference. Yes. Yeah, we got. So this was a simple example which we are using events and selectors, special effects. So these are the things which we going to see in next videos. So now we have seen all our basic needs. Let me see about jQuery selector in next video. Thank you so much for watching.